guys, what's up? It's Jackson here with the Adventure Boys. Today we are going to be doing another police chase. You guys can already see I have the cops on us. Let's get started. And the one thing about today, we are running away on a motorcycle. That is pretty hard because the cops can shoot you. Let's get started. You guys can already see that there is a cop right here. Got it. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Hi, cop. Hi, Cappy. Go. Right there. He's behind us. Let's wait for him. Come on. Go. Oh, move. I'm playing with Franklin today. Where is he? There he is. Move! Ah, God, no. Oh gosh, no. Gotta go. Okay, gotta go. Oh, wait, what? No. They were copies. But they're gonna shoot us probably. We just gotta go. Go. Oh, they were shooting. No. Go. No, go. Oh, this police car right there. Oh, they're right over there. Oh, guys. Oh, they're trying to push us. Oh, that part didn't feel good. We gotta go. Go. Move, people! Oh no, I was trapped. I'm trapped. Guys, this is not good. Guys, this is not good. Cut! Ugh, that hurt. Oh no. Go. Just go. Go. This is not good. Oh no. Oh my gosh, that was kind of cool. You did like a slide. Come on. Oh, got it. Come here, guys. Come here. Come here. Oh, here we go. Come on, coppers. Come on, coppers. Take it on. Excuse me. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, no, go. You guys going up right behind us. Yeet. Oh, check them out. Go. Oh, guys, I'm getting shot. Oh, no, I'm trapped. No, this is not good. Drive. Woo, guys, that was a close one. That was a very close one. Guys, we're gonna hijack something. Drive. We gotta get in this. Give me this. Give me this freaking thing. Go. Come on, Kevin. Bring it on. Yes. Charge. Go. Oh my gosh, we're in a dump. Oh no. Come on, Kev. Bring it on. Oh. that with a boop. Oh my goodness. Ooh, ooh. Come on, guys. Come on. Don't be scared, cats. Come on. Come on. You swerve, swerve. Yeah, yeah. Damn. Goodness. Oh. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. Oh, go, 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 go. Go. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, that was close. That was close. Yay. And yay. Oh, no, go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. No, we gotta go. Okay, let's catch up to this tow truck. Tow truck. This tow truck will be fun. Wait, guys, we could tow a car. Come on. Damn it. Let's go. We may not be able to. We may not be able to, guys. We gotta get this thing turned around. It's so heavy. Move. 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 Go, go, go. We gotta get out quick and steal this. Go, 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 go. Just go, 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 just go. Move, move, move. Yeah, wait. We can wheel this. We can wheel it into a golf cart. Come on, guys. Guys, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, cop. Come on. Come on, cop. Yes, I got him. I literally got the cop. Oh, my goodness. Yeet. Yeet, 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 yeet. That guy's probably dizzy. Oh no, guys. See ya, sucker. Come on, come on, come on, get one of you. Come on, let me get one of you guys. Cool. Come on. Okay, wait, maybe I should tow another vehicle. Come on, let me tow you, let me tow you, let me tow you. Oh, come on. Yes, let me tow him. Yes, I got him. Go, go, go. Don't get close to me, I'll let this car go. Don't get close to me. Hey. Stop it. Yup, yep. Oh, that guy got juked! That guy got juked! Yeah. Guys, we're going to go to the airport and steal a jet. Here we go. Go, 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 go. Oh no, there's about to be a water cop. Don't get close. I said that. I said don't get close. Oh, that hurt. That hurt. Come on, cops. Wait, we'll wait for the cops. Ooh, that was so close. Oh! I slid out. Go. We gotta go. dog these days. We gotta go, we gotta go, we gotta go. Ooh, almost went out. On go. And this. Move. Am I? I'll do this part. I'll do this part. I'll do this one. Tom. Go. Oh! You got Aiden by our door. Ooh. Move. Move, pop. Ooh. This car is swinging around. You. Oh no. There's a cop in front of us. I was like, why is all the traffic stopped? Now I know. Oh no, guys, we might be stuck. Nope, we're not stuck. No, we're stuck. Oh no. Go. Move if you don't want to get crushed. Move if you don't want to get crushed. Okay. Yeah. Stop it, car. Bad car. We gotta go, guys. And drop the car. Go. Ooh. Oh no. Go. Oh my goodness. Go. Oh my goodness, guys. There's speed cops on us. Go. We gotta go. No. I don't want to be caught. We're so close to getting the jet. Let's go. Come on. Oh no, guys. Move. Guys, we're not going to steal the jet yet. We can't steal the jet yet.
The thing is, at least you know how to dig. Most people fall in love with a competition. And as soon as they're
Guys, we just gotta go.
this guy's an asshole.
This is not good.
I want to be your asshole. I used to be a stuntman and TV actor. I cannot understand policy at all. I need to reduce things to a really basic level. I'm perfect for higher office. Listen, the state of San Andreas is in big trouble. We've cared about people for far too long. I'm not extending a helping hand. I'm giving you all the finger. I will follow.
Go, guys. Go. Drive. Go, guys. Go. We gotta go. Go. Oh my goodness. Guys, we might actually have a recovery. Go. There were so many cops. Oh my goodness. Drive. Oh my goodness, the security guards are shooting us. We gotta go. Go. I can't believe we only have 2 stars. That's insane. Oh, we just gotta go, guys. Oh, guys. No. Oh, that's not good. That is not good. Guys, we got this. We got it. We're still going. That's the only good thing. That's all that matters. Oh my goodness, there was a cop right behind us somehow. We just gotta go. Just go. Guys, we gotta go. Just try. Just go. Just go. Oh no, guys. Okay, we're gonna stop it right there. Thank you so much for watching. Do you guys want to see the plane explode? The plane's gonna explode. Oh, and it goes. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.